by President Trump.
Yeah, there's not much text to it because it's sort of, I like the idea that, take it for granted that every single reasonable person is going to see started an insurrection as like, yeah, no, that's impeachable. No, don't really need further explanation on the ins and outs of that one. Yep, no, started an insurrection, sounds impeachable, got it. Pretty short articles of impeachment.
And again, just take a look for what will be blatant hypocrisy, because this suffers from the same procedural alleged defects as the prior regime.
You, Dr. Hibbert, I rest my case.
You rest your case?
What? Oh, no, I thought that was just a figure of speech. Case closed.
Okay, can't wait to talk about this. Can anything happen for Josh Hawley and Ted Cruz and perhaps others, by the way? Those are the kind of the headline insurrectionists, the ones that you may have seen out front. But there are lots of treasonous Republicans working behind the scenes that may not get enough credit. We'll make sure they get the credit that's due to them. But anyway, there's been talk of the 14th Amendment having something to say